Morning student, hello. Today we are going to learn about one step more that we have learned about yesterday. We have yesterday learned about proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. But today we are going to learn about conversation of improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, we are going to learn this by 2 or 3 steps. That means first we are going to learn about to place them on number line, and then we are going to learn about on by simply method multiplying, subtraction or division, or by adding, and then again we are going to learn about playing that means plotting them on number line, and then we by drawing a bar diagram, that means by drawing a diagrams, and then again by multiplication, division or minus. Okay, and then we're going to do exercise. Now let us see one thing. See here, conversion of improper fraction and mixed fraction. See, convert 11 by 4 to a mixed fraction. Before that we have to do it. See, 11 by 4 we can write in two different ways. That means if we divide 11 by 4, we'll got here 11 2, that means 8, it's 3. So we can write this as 2 3 by 4. Okay, this and this two will plot a number line. See, okay, see here, since improper fraction, so improper fraction 11 here, so we will plot this in downward. Okay, and since it is a mixed fraction, we'll put it upward side. First we'll draw it like this, then we will do 1, put here 0 0, then put here 1 by 4, it is also become 1 by 4, then put here 2 by 4, again put 2 by 4, again do 3 by 4, 3 by 4, then put here 1. Okay, and put here 4 by 4. Okay, since 4 by 4 is cut, so it become 1. Then we'll do it again 1 1 by 4, it become our 5 by 4. We'll do 1 2 by 4, it become our 6 by 4. We do 1 3 by 4, it become 7 by 4. We'll do 1 that means it become 2 hour. Okay, it become 8 by 4, since when 8 is divided by 4 we got here 2. Then we'll do here 2 1 by 4, it become our 9 by 4. Then we'll do 2 2 by 4, it become 10 by 4. And last we'll do here 2 3 by 4, it become 11 by 4. This and this thing we will need to do here. Okay, so this is the thing that we're going to do. This is our improper way and this is our mixed way. And so we can say that after doing that, this we will say that here 11 by 4 is an improper fraction on the number line. So we can see here when 4 divided by 4, we'll got here we will when 4 is divided by 4, we will got here 1 by 1, it become 1. It become 2 by 1, it become 1. Okay, sorry, 2. Okay, now see 11 fourth, since 11 fourth is equal to 8 fourth, that means 8 by 4 plus 3 by 4. If we cut this, we'll got here 2, so 2 plus 3 by 4, and when we add it, we'll got here 4 2s, that means we can do simply here just 2 by 3 4. In this way we will do this on a number line. Okay, then we will do the same thing by the process of division and like this. See, this is our dividend, this is our divisor, this is our quotient. See, when we divide it, that means we got 3 2 6 here, and minus we got here 1. It's a quotient, so it is become our remainder. Okay, so we can say that first we divide the numerator. The numerator is 7 by the denominator is 3, and after dividing we got 2 as quotient and remainder as 1. So we can say that 7 by 3 is made up of 2 whole, since 2 whole, that means 2 fully number, 2 whole, and 1/3. So we can say here that we can write here 7/3 as when we 7/3 when we divide it 2 whole, that means 2 and 1/3. In this way we can write it this is our mixed that means improper. This is our I think conversion of number into mixed fraction. That means this is our improper, it is in mixed fraction. Okay, now we'll do this we have done improper into mix on a number line. Okay, on a number line. Now we're going to do mixed fraction into improper on a number line. It becomes just alter, that means this comes below and this goes up. Okay, now do it. See here one thing. See. Now we have to convert 1 3/5 to an improper fraction, and 1 3/5 equal to 8/5, that means 8/5 on the number line. Okay, see here, for converting 1 3/5 equal to 8/5 into on the number line, we have to do the same process. Since here we have to just alter it, that means this mix come downward and this go upward, but then the value will be changed here. Let's do it, try it. See here, we'll draw a line, then we'll plot here. See, 0 0, put here 1/5 since it is given 5, 1/5, 2/5, 2/5, 3/5, 3/5. Since see here one thing, 3/5, 3/5, it is all thing. Okay, since it is 4/5 given here, see here 4/5, it is also 4/5. Now become here 5/5 and 1. Just alter it. See here we have given 4/4 and 1 upper. Here we'll just alter it as 5/5 and 1 here. Then what we'll do, we will do 6/5. Here we'll do 1/5. Then 7/5. Here we'll do 1 2/5. Here we'll do 8/5. Here we'll do 1 3/5. Okay, then here we'll do 9/5. Here we'll do 1 4/5. Here we'll do 10/5. Here we'll do 2, since divided by 2. Now see here what we need. We need here, see here, we need here 1/5, that means 1 3/5 and 8/5. So you see here our here 1 3/5 is this, and this is our this. So this is our in mixed way, and this is our in proper way. It is our mixed, it is our improper. Since we have to convert this into this, so we put it upper way. Okay, so now see, in this way we'll convert it is these things. So we can say that, 1 3/5 is a mixed fraction. So let's draw it for a model it seems. Now we can draw by drawing them it with a model. See, for model what we'll do, we'll draw suppose a box here like this and divide it in 5 parts, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, then again we'll draw another box like this, 1 2 3 4 5. Since we have to do 1 3/5, that means total we will count it, it become 8/5. So 8/5 we have to take total 10 boxes. See, so we'll take here 10. See, 1 is totally become, if you 5 here it will totally become 1. Since from this 5 we will take here 3 only, so this become our 8/5. So there are, so we can see here there are 8 shaded part of 1/5 of 1/5. So we can say here that 1 3 by 8 sorry 1 3 by 5 equal to 8 by 5. Okay, now we can do it in different ways also, by multiplication also. So we can do, also convert them by mixed fraction into improper fraction in following ways also. See here 1 3 by 5, if we multiply it and add it to it, we'll got a C. If we 5 here, see 1 into 5 and plus here 3, what we'll get? 5 on 5 plus 3 by 5 equal to, we got here 8 by 5. Okay, in this way you can got here 8 by 5. So we can say that 1 3 by 5 equal to 8 by 5. So in this way we can got our answer of this chapter. Now we're going to do exercise 4.3. See one number. Since here given, see 0, you have to convert 8 by 3 into mix 1. See, you have to draw this number line. See here 0 0, 1 by 3 1 by 3 1 by 3, then 2 by 3 2 by 3, then we'll take 3 by 3, here 1 become 1. Okay, then we'll take here 4 by 3, it become 1 by 3, then we take 5 by 3, it become 1 2 by 3, then we take 6 by 3, then it become 2, then we take 7 by 3, it become 2 1 by 3. What we'll do, we have to do here 8 by 3, one step more we have to do it. See here 8 by 3, it become 2 2 by 3. So this is our answer. Yeah, that we have to do this in our copy. Okay, then see one thing, convert the following improper fraction in mix using the division rule. See this 13 by 5, a number. See number 2, 13 by 5. We have to do division rule. So what we'll do, you have to do this, 5 2s are 10, 3 is our remainder. So what we'll do, we'll write here 13 by 5, 2 put here, this 3 here, and it become this. It is our answer, division way. Okay, then convert the mix simply form in check. You have to do this. Now see here, write the mix and improper fraction for each of the following. See mix and improper. See number 4a. See here how many full box? 1 here 1, that means 2 box full and 1 is half. The first 2 box full you write here 2, that means in one box, in the third box see how many total parts. See 1 2 3 4, so you write here 4 below. Then see how many shaded part, 1 2 3, it become 3. So this is your mixed fraction. Now I have to write it in proper way. So how we'll do it, 4 2 you write here 4, 2 into 4, then plus 3, you will write it 4 here, 8 plus 3, it become 11 by 4. It become your improper fraction. In this way we'll do this. Okay, now next we'll see the next. This will, you will do same 1, and here see 1 2 3 4 5 6, that means lower will be 6, and 1 2 3, that means 3, that means 1 3 by 6 it will be. Okay, and then see that this is the last. See here question. See you have to again do it 6 1 by 2 into improper fraction. That means you have to convert way, since it is mixed, you have to convert improper fraction. If write this 6 1 by 3, that means 6 2 is 12 plus 1 13, so 13 by 3 2 will be here. We have to do it like this. I have taught you. So we'll do it at your home yourself. If you have any problem, so please comment for that, so that I can solve for you. Thank you.